Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. I am HollyLynora, and today's video we are diving into something a little bit new, something that one of my YouTube friends actually suggested that I try out, and I figured, of course, why not do that on camera? So here we are. Haven't even opened the package yet. This is from Stay Golden Cosmetics. I am super excited to try this because it's like their whole thing is super vibrant, glittery, like going out for the night, beautiful, stunning lips with lots of glitter, and it's supposed to stay put. So that's what we are going to find out. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. It would mean so much to me if you did. Ring the bell, hit that thumbs up button, and let's dive right in. Okay guys, so I am on their website, and this is the color. I hope you guys can see that. This is the color that I ordered. This is in the shade Burlesque, and as you can see, it's supposed to be like I said, super like boom. So I got the Burlesque Kit, and it says with lip liner. I don't know what's in this package. It is a $20 lip kit. Okay, so it says right here actually, this glitter lip kit comes with a lip liner, Cosmo Glitter, gloss bond, and a dual tip applicator. Okay, let's open it up. Do I even need scissors? Just a little muscle. Okay, maybe a lot of muscle. Okay, so this is the packaging, and this is what was inside it, along with some return papers or whatever you get when you receive a package. I have the most trouble opening packages. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the liner. I've never done this, so I don't know what we just got ourselves into. So this should be fun. And this says it is the gloss bond. Just a little doe foot applicator. Whoa, this is the glitter. I'm afraid to open it to show you guys because I feel like it'll topple out. So first off, looking at this glitter, I'm thinking like, okay, maybe if you're going to a Christmas party, even if it's New Year's or your birthday, like this stuff looks like it's very special occasion-y. That's just my opinion. But today is a special occasion. We're trying it, and that's special. Okay, so there are no directions on how to do this. I feel like I could figure it out, but just to be safe, I'm gonna look it up. Make sure we're what? Sometimes I cannot speak. I swear. Sometimes we are right in trying to figure stuff out on our own, but this is the first time, and I'm doing it on camera, and I don't want them to look bad nor me to look bad just because I didn't put it on in the right direction. Wait, the right order. You know what I mean. I don't know what is wrong with me. Okay, so the first thing that it said to do was to line your lips. Pretty basic. We know how to do that, right? So here we go. Okay, so I quickly lined my lips. I hate talking like this because it looks so silly. Next, we are going to go in with this gloss bond. I did read that it dries quickly. So we're going to do bottom lip, apply the glitter, and then we're going to go onto the top lip so that everything doesn't just go ahead and dry. So I'm going to have this guy open already, and I think it comes with an applicator, and this guy is the brush side. And this is those old-timey eyeshadow applicators. So I'm going to dampen this just a little bit because I feel like it will pick up the glitter easier as opposed to it being dry and falling all off. Okay guys, this is damp. I feel like this is a catastrophe waiting to happen. I've got this open. I'm going to sit it on the desk. Okay, here we go. in I'm supposed to go. Look at my mouth. Whew, excuse me. I wonder if I just sneezed the glitter. Okay, so surely this stuff has to dry. I guess I need to put some in there. I'll do it just for the fun of it. Whoa. It feels crazy. So what do you guys think about the process, the outcome, the cost for what you get? What do you think? Tell me. I'll be honest, I'm not over the moon screaming from the rooftops, you should go get this. At least not right now. This stuff has a very strong, I cannot think of the chemical name, but buddy, it's there. Whew. Okay, let's see if it really stays put. I'd say it's pretty dry now. All right, give her a big old smoocheroo. Clean arm. Okay, so can you see right here? So the lip liner came off, but not a single drop of the glitter. That's pretty impressive. That's like really impressive. Let me go get a glass and we'll see if it comes off on glass, and then we'll call it a day. Okay, so I have an empty glass. I'm just gonna act like I'm drinking something from it and we'll see. Like how? Okay, so if I do this again, I will definitely be more precise. I can see glitter kind of coming off on the edges, and I'm sure that's my fault with the application. I wasn't as careful as I should have been, I'm sure, but that's amazing. How it's not even, like nothing. And I will say it wasn't as messy as I thought it would be. That's a plus. And from what I'm seeing, like in the monitor, it looks good. It looks fun. It looks sparkly. But sometimes I'll look at the monitor, I think we're going good, and then I look at the playback and I'm like, oh. But whatevs. So right now it looks good, but we shall see. It may not, and that's okay. At least I tried it. And like I said, it's something for a really fun night, New Year's Eve, Christmas party, even Halloween. They have a lot of different colors, so you should definitely go check them out. That looks like something you're into. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've used them before. And I mean, it was fun. It really, really was. Let me know what you think of the hair. I was playing around. This bun is not my hair. This is another insert here piece, and what I did was I got some cheap like spray-on hair color from Walmart that certainly is not permanent, but I just got the closest color that I could to the bun, and I sprayed it on top of my hair. Didn't even do the back. But I'm just playing around, experimenting. It's always fun. Let me know what you think of my hair. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love trying new things. If you have a new thing that you would like me to try, shoot me a message, a DM, leave it in the comments below. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Okay, so I thought that was the end, but psych. After spending a couple hours wearing this around, I ate a little something, drank some water, just did normal everyday things. I kind of had some thoughts and I wanted to share with you before we parted ways. This is really pretty. It is really cool, definitely innovative, not clearly an everyday lipstick, but for things like I mentioned, Christmas parties, New Year's Eve, blah, 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 whatever, they're beautiful. They are perfect for that. It's a perfect way to stand out without you know, yelling at the top of your lungs or something. I will say, when applying, like you can see when I talk, the spots that I should have gotten and I missed, I did get the corners a little bit, but it kind of moved on me. I would definitely give the advice to be more precise. I wasn't. And there's just like a couple little specks on my skin of glitter that just kind of slipped off. So I would take your time with it. Be very, very slow. Don't rush it. Also, the texture is so odd. I mean, I can get through it. I can work with it, whatever, but it does feel funny. Don't kiss anybody with it on. It's just weird. It's definitely interesting. So, to conclude, am I going to throw this away? Absolutely not. I'm going to wear it again on some random night where somebody says, ooh, and be fancy. Enter the lip kit. But after doing this, would I purchase this again, knowing what I know? I don't think I would. I honestly don't think I would. And that's just me being honest, just with my experience, basing it on that. It's really cool though. There you have it. There's my words. I don't know what that was. Okay, now for real, it is time for sayonara. See you to the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you're watching now because you made it to the end. You guys are my rock stars, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.